Is your Windows 11 PC taking forever to shut down? Often the culprit is not your hardware. It's hidden background processes and apps hanging in the background, refusing to close quickly. In this tutorial, we will look at exactly how to identify and disable these hidden background processes hangs to get your Windows 11 PC shutting down instantly. First step, force Windows to automatically end tasks. Right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type REGEDIT, then click on OK. In Registry Editor, navigate to S key current user, then Control Panel, then Desktop. Look for string value named AutoEndTasks. If it does not exist, right click on empty space in the right pane, then go to new and then string value and name it AutoEndTask. Double click on AutoEndTasks and set the value data to 1. Next, look for WaitToKillServiceTimeout in the same pane. Double click it and select the value data to 2000. This reduces the time Windows waits for apps to close to 2 seconds. Next step, reduce service timeout limit. Background services often take a long time to close properly. Adjust their timeout limit in the registry. Expand H key local machine, then expand system, then navigate current control set, then click on control. Find the wait to kill service timeout key, double click on it and set the value data to 5000 or 2000. This ensures services are forcibly killed after 2 or 5 seconds. Now close Registry Editor. Third step, disable fast startup. Fast startup acts like a deep sleep rather than a true shutdown, which often retains and carries over background processes hangs across reboots. Go to search, insert type control to open control panel and then click on control panel. Navigate to power options. You may need to change the view by to large icons. Click on choose what the power button do from the left hand menu. Click on the link at the top that says change settings that are currently unavailable. Scroll to the bottom, uncheck the box for turn on fast startup and then click save changes. Next step, run system maintenance. If the shutdowns persist, corrupted system files or a bug might be holding things up. Go to search, insert type CMD, right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator. In command prompt type SFC scan now and press enter and wait for the scan to reach 100%. Once the scan completed, type DISM/online/cleanup images /restore health and press enter to ensure system health. Then restart your computer. After restarting the computer, hope the slow shutdown problem has been solved. If it's still continuing, you have to go for next fix. Microsoft frequently releases a specific update targeting background services like the BITS service, which have historically caused slow shutdowns in Windows 11. Always ensure your operating system is fully updated. Right click on Start menu, go to Settings, click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update and install the updates to make your computer up to date. That's it. These are the steps to fix Windows 11 slow shutdown issues by disabling hidden background process hangs.